There's something about cleaning a car for the first time that makes it feel truly like it belongs to you. Hello, my name is Gav, and if you're new here, I'm 30 years old, I just got my driving license, and for some reason I thought it'd be fun to buy a Jaguar F-Type. Today we're giving the car its first proper clean. The paint needs help, the wheels need help, and honestly, I need help. I am no car detailer. Everything I know I've learnt from my dad and watching YouTube videos at ridiculous hours of the night. But today we're giving the Jag F-Type the care it truly deserves. For now, let's tackle the outside, because this car currently looks like it was dropped at Dubai Airport and never picked up again. I also had a local detailing company come out this week, Mike from Superior Shine Detail, who came and completely fixed the interior of the Jag. Now, I actually didn't film any of this beforehand because I'm an idiot. We should know this by now. But I managed to get some good after material, and I'll see if I can share some of Mike's pictures before and after. He did an incredible job, and if you are looking for someone to detail your car, interior or exterior, I can highly recommend him. He's a proper car guy, he loves his cars, he knows his stuff, and his quality is absolutely unreal. He's turned this Jag from looking like a very well-loved car to something that is almost showroom fresh. So let's talk about my process for cleaning a car. Again, from my dad and YouTube, I've learnt this. So I bought a bunch of tools over the last couple of weeks, had a practice on my wife's car, and then moved on to my car. We start by rinsing everything. This thing was caked in dust and dirt. So I applied a quick layer of snow foam with the pressure washer and then rinsed that off quickly because, again, this car was dirty. I'm using a K-Archer pressure washer and just some snow foam I found on Amazon. Honestly, these might not be the best products, but it's what I could find and it's what I thought might work best. And so far it looks to have worked. So after we've rinsed off all that snow foam, we went again in with another round of snow foam, but this time on the wheels. The wheels were absolutely minging. This thing was collecting brake dust like there was no tomorrow. Even with some new brakes on there, we were still looking pretty dusty on the wheels. So we went in with the snow foam and then took the brush and decided to get right into the wheels and give them a proper clean. This was really, really fun to do, albeit quite tough on the arms, but the wheels started to come up looking really good. After that, we gave it a nice wash again, and those wheels were looking crispy. Once we'd done that on the wheels, we then moved on to applying another layer of snow foam and giving it a contact wash. This feels a bit weird because I want to say that it's nice to get up close and personal with your car, but then it makes me sound like I'm intimate with my car, which I am not, but still weird. Anyway, once we've given it a nice contact wash, I just rinse it off one last time just to make sure that the car's nice and clean, and the result looks a little bit like this. So once the car was nice and clean on the exterior, I took some lovely pictures of it because I can't stop taking pictures of this car. And then I had Mike come in and do the detailing. Now, this car inside was pretty grim. It had been well loved. Well loved is not even fun to say. It had been abused. The car had been abused.
One of the joys of buying a used car, especially a used sports car, is I'm now trying to remove things that the previous owner had done to this car. One of those being this very flimsy phone adapter. Now, this is because the Jag F-Type from this year does not have Apple CarPlay, and the navigation is pretty horrendous. So now I've got to try and remove this melted on phone mount that has just melted in the Dubai sun to my dashboard. Oh, that is gross. Get down there. Now we have a clean dashboard.
It was really dirty inside and it really needed some love. Now, my detailing skills are not at the level where I can get down and dirty on the inside and make sure it was clean, but I had someone else come out to do it. He was really great. I cannot recommend him highly enough. It was quite funny because he did text me a few times and say, I might need a little bit longer on this because this car is dirty. But he got down into all the details, all the plastics, all the leathers. The leather has been retouched, the plastics have been clean, we've got some scratches out. It's looking fresh. As you can see, the car is looking pretty good for a car that is almost 10 years old and has done 160,000 kilometers. So I'm really happy with the work that Mike did, and I would genuinely use him again, even for some exterior stuff, because I've seen the results he's managed to get on the exteriors and they look fantastic. So that's where we're at with the Jag. I really am enjoying detailing cars at the moment. I think it's a really fun way to get connected with your car properly, as weird as that sounds, but there's just something about cleaning your own car that gives you an appreciation for your own vehicle. Now, I am still learning on how to detail, so if I'm doing something wrong, please let me know down in the comments. I'm open to constructive criticism, be nice, but I'm open to constructive criticism. This is a learning process. We're learning on this channel and I'm learning my way through detailing, but I think I did a pretty all right job. The car finally looks the way that it should, and I feel like it's officially mine now. And in the next episode, we'll be doing some minor touches and minor fixes that I can do at home and we can learn along the way. So stay tuned for the next episode because I think that might be quite fun. If you're enjoying the 30-year-old new driver Jag F-Type journey, then please consider subscribing because it really helps the channel out. And if you could share this with someone that also is going on this journey for the first time, again, it really helps out the channel. But thank you very much for watching. I will see you on the next episode. Goodbye.